In this video, you're going to learn how to edit the TikTok notification sound on Android. So you may want to change the sound that you get on your phone when you get a notification from TikTok. The way you do this is find the settings on your Android device. I found mine just by swiping down from the top and going to the top right-hand corner and clicking on the cog. It takes me to my settings. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on notifications. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on TikTok. Here you can have all the options to show notifications, and you can change the sounds for each one of these. For example, if I wanted to change the sounds of the likes that I get on my videos, go ahead and click on likes. And you can see right here that the sound provided is the app provided sound. If you click on app provided sound, it'll give you all of these choices, whatever choices you have on your specific device. You can also make it silent by clicking silent, so you get no sound or lock screen icons. And you can also turn it to vibrate. I hope this video was helpful and you were able to edit the TikTok notification sound on Android. If you were, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here.